Okay guys, we have three stocks. One is buying pressure, have a big buying pressure and exploding, and two have a really big shorting position, and we might see a good entry like if the price hit the support. So let's get right to it and see those three stocks. And let's go and start with this one. The first one is will be Upstart Holding and Corporation, and ticker symbol is UPST, and this one doing all-time high, and now we visited the 203 guys. This is really crazy because look with me, the earnings almost like even from the March we have really good earning, 400 almost 400%, and here and the second one at the 11th of May, and the last one that we have the explosion here around the 10th of August, guys. The three good earning in this year, really, that's really good, and the general trend is uptrending right now for this stock. And look what's going on, is perfect trend. We still holding the trend up, and for higher lows we still doing this reaction. However, we gonna see a bit of rejection going on very soon, and we expect the resistance will be around the 200 around the 220. Okay, so this would be a bit of rejection in order to see the price consolidate around like around the 160 will be a really good entry again for this one, and I will be put my eyes on this one because this is one is really nice if you want to have and this kind of market right now is down trending market. This kind of stock would be really good to put you put your watch list. One of you like is this stock, you put it, you should put it on your watch list. However, we're gonna see a bit of rejection coming because now we exploding and the price will hit rejected really very soon. So I'll be expected to buy around, as I said, around the $1.66. It will be really nice in order to have this reaction go a bit to refuel the stock like around this level. Then we go to do higher lows again, and this would be a really good entry if we went there. So I'll put it on watch list, and this is a really have a really nice reaction because we're still in this channel. The next one is SUVI, and ticker symbol is SOFI. And this one, as we said in the live streaming that we did lately, I told you guys the 17.18 is a rejection area, and that's what we did, and even gapped by today, and we going again around our support here around the 14, guys, around the 1465. This is the really strong support. If we just went down from the support, we expect the buying pressure will happen around yeah, this one still like have a lot of short position, so I will expect the $13 will be the next support if we don't hold the 1465. So put this one on your watch list. If we don't hold this one, 13 would be perfect price to have a big buying pressure for this one, because here we have double top. This is a sign of weakness. That's why we kept dipping, and now we kind of find a support around the 14 and even saw the 14 after this gap. So be careful from the 1465. If we don't hold, the 13 will be a really nice buying pressure for SUFI, because we still downtrending after this massive downtrending from 18th of June. And the third one is Allied Healthcare Products, and the ticker symbol is AHPI, and this one hit with the massive rejection around the 16.30. And one of my Patreon hunter asked me about this, and it was really interesting because I was expecting the price to go above the 16.30 in order to hunt for the 19.94, but we didn't open like the after like a pre-market was around the 14.50, but when we open really down, and we downtrending because we have a lot of selling pressure. After I see this big red candle. This worrying me. That's why we still holding this level. So if we hold this level, will be still good because we have this exponential average, and we're gonna consolidate here. Any price above the 1133, guys, here, perfect buying opportunity in order to test the 16 and the 19. Like if we hold this level, we're gonna see the consolidation and at least test for the 16.30, and any price go above the 1630, we're gonna see explosion until the 1990, guys. This will be really nice. And again, if we don't hold the 11.33, the perfect buying opportunity for this one will be around the 8. So this will be like a big buying pressure if we just don't hold the 11. You know how I do or I like trade those one? Always cut my emotion, buy around this level, cut my loss if we just dipped below the 1133, or let's say around the $10.90, in order to buy around the $8. So this will be really nice. So I don't have to hold until the $8, and if we can calculated, will be almost 24% down. I just short the market, you know, and I just buy around here. You can actually hedge our position, and we just sell short and at the same time buy around this level. So we can actually profit in the two ways. When the market actually when we have a confirmation candle below the 1133 here, we can actually short the stock. It mean we sell it in order to buy it at a lower price, and when we visit around the $8, I actually sell and buy again here in order to take the profit around this level. So I can make profits here downways and upwards. So this is kind of if you're kind of want to short the market, and if you want to buy, you have the opportunity to buy. So there's a lot of strategy, guys, we can actually discuss. And if you want to you join us on Patreon, we can actually discuss this, and we do like a weekly a training, at the same time discussing your most pressing question, and at the same time like this the sign of weakness, sign of strength, and how to make a strategy, and which strategy actually work with which stock. We're gonna talk a lot about those things each weekend on Patreon. So join us, guys, in Patreon. We'll discuss a lot about the stock that we can cover around at YouTube. We can cover it on Patreon. So join us, guys. And we almost 70 hunters by now. We heading toward the 100 and 200, 1,000 hunters and more, guys. So join us and let's the hunter tribe even getting bigger. So without further ado, press the like button and see you in the next video.